Hey there, champions of the digital realm. Before we dive into today's treasure trove of strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button to unlock the full potential of your business online. I'm Hillary from Rank Boost Media, your guide in the ever evolving digital landscape. And today's focus is maximizing your Google My Business listing. Let's jump in. This is one of my favorite topics. But first, at Rank Boost Media, we believe in the power of connection and visibility. Our team, a blend of creative minds and digital wizards, have been empowering businesses like yours for over 15 years, turning the complex digital marketing world into your playground. Whether you're looking to dominate local search or build an unforgettable online brand, we are here with you every step of the way, making that digital marketing overwhelm seem like a piece of cake. So if you have a moment, smash that subscribe button. And for more insightful guides and tips straight from digital marketing frontlines, stay ahead of the curve with us here at Rank Boost Media. Drop a comment, let us know what you would like to learn, and we will be more than happy to share in future videos. So transforming your Google My Business listing from a static entry to a dynamic customer magnet is crucial. So here's how to make your Google My Business listing not just seen, but unforgettable. I've got 7 tips for you today. Let's get into it. Interactive engagement, number 1. Keep your listing alive with regular updates. If you have new products, post them. If you have extended services, post it. If you have holiday hours, update it. Let the world know through your Google My Business profile. Your Google Business profile is just as probably more important than updating your Facebook and Instagram, because when your customers are searching in the moment or they're driving in their car, that near me search is the most critical. A plumber near me, a coffee shop near me, a bookstore near me. All those things are happening on Google, not Facebook or Instagram. So number 2, the art of reviews are such a big one. We're probably going to have to do many videos on how to increase your reviews, because these are one of the important metrics. Reviews, radius, and reputation are such a big factor when it comes to your Google My Business listing. So it can be tricky, right? It can be tricky to get those customers to leave those reviews. And you usually, like when they're walking out, they're the happiest. That is the best time to get them to leave you a review. And we can help you set up automations to make that even easier. So just let us know. Cultivating a culture of feedback is so important. Hosting events, encouraging reviews, offering incentives for those reviews also can help. Because remember that every review is a story of your business through the eyes of your customers, and engage with each one of those reviews to let them know that you're listening. Plus, all of the eyeballs searching for a new business to do business with are reading your reviews, and they make their decision by what they read based on those reviews, right? So the more great reviews that you can get in there, the better. And visual storytelling, number 3. Update your listing with crisp, engaging photos and even videos weekly. Show off your happy customers, your bustling team, or even some behind the scenes sneak peeks. Authentic visuals draw those customers in. And these are videos you can repurpose over to Instagram, to your Facebook, to your LinkedIn, and you can do that. There are some good tips and tricks on how to make that even easier. I know you probably are thinking, "Hey, I didn't sign up to have a business and also be my own digital marketing team." But the sad truth is that is what it takes these days. Customers are always searching for your reputation online. It is more important than ever to have a good, solid brand, and one that looks like you care enough to keep it updated. So number 4, strategic posting. Use Google My Business posts as your mini marketing campaigns. Highlight what makes your business unique, be it an upcoming event, a special offer, or even a spotlight of your staff. can be great things that you can post, even a blog post from your blog if you have one. And number 5, a big one is the Q&A section mastery. So anticipate customer questions and answer them proactively in your GMB Q&A section on your Google Business profile. This not only serves your customers, but also builds a very keyword rich repository that will improve your search visibility. Remember, Google's constantly crawling to look for your authority, and that all of these very many key factors help you to rank higher on those pages, right? You don't want to be 20th down the list of plumbers, right? You don't want to be, people are driving by your business and you're not even showing up on maps. All these things matter for your business, and Google My Business profile is one of the things as a small business, I believe the number one things that you should be focusing on to get your phone ringing, to get more traffic through your door. So let's get into number 6. Accuracy across the board is even more important as well. Ensure that your business information is accurate across all digital platforms. This strengthens your SEO, builds trust with your customers. Like if your Facebook hours and your phone number, maybe it changed, and when they go to your Google Business profile, it's different, or wherever it is, Yelp, Bing, Instagram. Google is also confused by that. So that can hurt your ranking too. So making sure all across the board, all of your information is correct and in sync is going to help to boost you in your near me searches. So, and we have actually a strategic approach to doing this, and we can so many platforms that we can put you on, which can actually expand your visibility and your ranking as well. And if you're interested in us helping you with that, just drop a comment, send us an email, or book a strategy call with me. Number 7, which is what we're talking about here today, local SEO optimization, incorporating local keywords into your Google My Business description and in their posts as well. We're talking about keywords here. Google is all about words, targeted, hyper-focused words, for your town, for your county, if it is incorporated into your posts, into your descriptions, even when you respond to reviews as well. Being specific about your location helps Google understand where to place you in those local searches, making you that standout option for your local customers. So that being said, the digital journey is full of opportunities. With the right partner, the path is clear and the outcome, it becomes brighter. So if today's insights have sparked ideas and you're ready for a deep dive into digital excellence, it's time we talk. Book a strategy call with us at Rank Boost Media, and let's tailor a plan that not only highlights your business on Google, but makes you the go-to choice for customers everywhere near you. So thanks for sharing your time with me today. And if you're excited about shaping the future of your business and carving out your digital space, let's embark on this journey together. And heck, let's take some of it off your plate and make it a little less overwhelming. So don't forget to subscribe, reach out, and let Rank Boost Media illuminate your path to success. We are all about a non-cookie cutter approach because your business is unique. So here's to making your business not just visible, but vibrant and vital in the digital world near you. Until next time, peace out.